Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips, and in this video I'm speaking about something a little bit different than what I usually speak about on this channel. Instead of my marketing tips, I'm actually going to be speaking about an accounting software called Osome. Now I actually had a member of the Osome team join me live, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description down below, where he was basically sharing some really cool and awesome tips that you can actually adopt to help you with your e-commerce business. Now, the beautiful thing about Osome is they are specifically aimed and targeted at e-commerce sellers. So if you're making money online, you're selling on platforms, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, and you run an online business, then they can give you tips and advice specifically to that kind of business and that kind of industry. And our industry is not something that a lot of accountants know about. So having a specialist accountant who understands your industry is really great as well. And as well as that, a lot of things are changing when it comes to things such as Brexit. You know, there's a lot of laws that are changing. There's a lot of things that are changing in the accountancy world, which could impact your business. And it's a really great idea to have an accountant who understands these things. Now with the Osome platform, it's not just a platform for you to bookkeep, but you can actually directly ask questions to a dedicated accountant who understands e-commerce, so you can get your questions answered as well. And the platform helps you to organize all of your papers as well, so you don't have to deal with papers. You upload all of your important documents to Osome and it becomes very organized. So as you can see, I'm on the inside of my platform at the moment. When you do book your first demo call with Osome, just do let them know that you came from this video, and they will give you £100 off your monthly package. And as you can see, this is just the dashboard. It will just give you an overview of your financial situation at the moment, and you can actually look at it by month as well. Now this will pull in data from your bank account, from your PayPal account, whatever resource you were using. You can actually connect that to your Osome account so that it's done a little bit more seamlessly. So if I go up here to where it says home, then it says welcome to Osome. I can click on that and it will take me into here. Now this is their chat feature where I can actually ask any question that I have with regards to accounting. Now, I know for a lot of people, and myself included, sometimes it can be really difficult to get hold of your accountant because they're busy working with so many different clients, and it's difficult for you to get an answer. Sometimes you have to chase up your accountant just to get them to answer your questions. Whereas within the Osome platform, you can literally type your questions in here. You can even upload a file as well and send that with your question, and you will have a response by an accountant. Also, if you go into the accounting section as well, then this kind of enables you to share any documents that you want to upload with your accountant a lot faster and easier. So, you know, it's paperless. You don't have to worry, and you can see exactly what you have shared and what date you have shared it on as well. And if you go into the files tab, this is where you can store your bank statements, invoices, receipts, and other company documents. As you can see, it's pretty simple. You just click the upload button and it will take you to your computer where you can upload any documents that you want to save here. So whenever you get an invoice or whenever you get a receipt, just upload it to the Osome platform and it will be organized for you. And in the settings tab, you can kind of change your settings, your number, your team, API, so on and so forth. So as you can see, their platform is super easy and convenient for you to utilize. I will leave links in the description down below so you can go ahead and access Osome. I'll also leave links, as I've mentioned, to the interview that I did with one of their e-commerce accountants, and he kind of answers a lot of common questions that some of you guys had, and he also speaks about the Osome platform in a little more depth as well. So I highly recommend, if you are looking for an accounting solution, that you keep Osome in mind and check them out. And I really do hope that this video brought you value. A lot of you guys, after the interview I had with the e-commerce accounting expert, said you wanted him back on again. So that's something that I may do, depending on how much feedback I get from these accounting videos. If it's useful to you guys and it's helping you guys, then I'll put more of that type of content out. But I really do hope that this video brought you value. As most of you know, I am a marketing specialist. not an accountant. And if you want more tips and advice in terms of marketing and getting your business out there, then make sure you download the formula, which is the free guide to generating leads and sales to your business online. As you can see, there's a copy next to me. I will also leave a copy somewhere on this screen and in the description down below. But if this video did help you out, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula, and I will see you soon.